Hello students. Welcome to School Life YouTube channel. Today's topic is basic safety precautions to be taken during floods. So without wasting time, let's quickly start the video and learn basic safety precautions during floods. Floods can be devastating natural disasters that pose significant risks to life and property. Taking basic safety precautions during floods can help minimize risks and ensure safety. Here are some essential safety measures to take before the flood. 1. Stay informed. Monitor weather forecasts and warnings from local authorities. Sign up for emergency alerts and follow trusted news sources. 2. Create a flood emergency plan. Develop a plan with your family, including evacuation routes, emergency contact numbers, and a safe meeting point. 3. Prepare an emergency kit. Assemble a kit with essential items, such as non-perishable food, water, first aid supplies, and a battery-powered radio. 4. Protect your home. Consider installing flood-resistant barriers, sealing walls and floors, and elevating electrical outlets and switches. During the flood. 1. Evacuate immediately. If ordered to evacuate, do so promptly. Follow recommended evacuation routes and avoid flooded areas. 2. Avoid floodwaters. Stay away from floodwaters as they can be contaminated with sewage, chemicals, and other hazards. 3. Stay indoors. If you cannot evacuate, stay indoors and move to higher ground or upper floors. Avoid windows and doors. 4. Turn off utilities. If possible, turn off electricity, gas, and water supplies to prevent further damage. 5. Keep phone lines open. Use your phone only for emergency calls to keep phone lines open for rescue efforts. Safety precautions. 1. Avoid electrical hazards. Avoid using electrical appliances or outlets that have been submerged in water. 2. Be aware of structural damage. Be cautious of structural damage to buildings, bridges, and roads. 3. Watch for contaminated water. Avoid contact with floodwaters, as they may be contaminated with sewage, chemicals, or other hazards. 4. Stay alert for hazards. Be aware of potential hazards, such as fallen power lines, sharp debris, and hidden dangers. After the flood. 1. Wait for official clearance. Only return to your home when authorities declare it safe. 2. Assess damage. Carefully assess damage to your property, taking photos for insurance purposes. 3. Clean and disinfect. Thoroughly clean and disinfect your home, especially areas affected by floodwaters. 4. Seek medical attention. If you've been exposed to floodwaters, seek medical attention if you experience any symptoms of illness. Conclusion. Floods can be unpredictable and deadly. By taking basic safety precautions, you can minimize risks and ensure your safety. Stay informed, prepare an emergency plan, and follow safety guidelines to protect yourself and your loved ones.